Right, another episode, donut fishing, D-nut fishing in the bag. Ended up just on the Yak, Han Solo. Pretty good day. Wind was terrible. The plan was kind of cruise around, wait for the high tide, then hit up a couple of spots for some brim, but then the wind was bad. It was blowing me around like crazy. So I ended up just seeing quite a few bust ups around.
Oh my goodness, look at that bait. Oh my gosh, look over there. Oh, there's full bust ups over there. Jeez. What do I got? Quick! Huge bust ups.
So ended up, just kind of following the fish. It was, not too bad. Not too bad. Always hard paddling against crazy wind the whole time, but whatevs. It is what it is. I could get in there, kind of caught a couple of fish, change over some hooks on a lure because I felt like I kept losing them. Didn't trust my gut on one kind of thing. I could see the surface action, like the school was moving up the bank, but then I just kind of stayed in one spot, and then a couple of minutes later there's a ginormous bust up there, and I'm 200 meters, 300 meters away trying to paddle. I guess that's the thing about a kayak. It's not as easy to get somewhere quickly, so you're just trying to hope that you get there in time, or then you just luck in. So I think I kind of lucked out a couple of times, and then it's kind of almost back to where I kind of launch, and I ended up hooking a fish there, but that was right in the middle of the wind, so it pushed me probably 300 meters kind of further back. So that was not ideal to be paddling then back against the wind to get back to where I was. But you catch a fish, so you can't win them all. It was just a tiring afternoon. You'll probably be able to hear the wind noise throughout it. It's catching fish. Guess you can't complain too much, but sweet as. Check it out, sweet. Like, subscribe, whatevs. Till next time. Bada bing, bada boom.
There's probably too much wind, too much chop. There's just skipping across the surface like a crazy person. Go with the sinking stick bait to keep it like a little bit under the water. And then it might be a little bit better. Here we go, come on. Something must hit this. Yep, got something. There we go. Oh, it's off on the surface. Let's try and lock this up a bit more. Oh, what the hell? Still got a lure on there, right? Yep. That's weird. No. I think I went too soft on them the other day. Ugh. Took too long, like a 20-minute video. Who wants this? I knew this would catch on eventually. Ugh. Just come up, bro. Ugh. Oh, it must be just here. Nope. All right. Yeah. Settle down. Yeah. Oh, working up. Still don't see how people grab these things by the tail. There we go. Hold up. How big it is? 50, I guess that's 55. That's probably 60, I guess. He's sitting on the bottom down there. Get out of there. Alright, good. Doughboy off the back. Size, mediocre. So what is this? Fish Inc. Flanker 115 sinking. I knew it would work. I just needed the right situation. I think that was the right situation. So yeah, I tightened the drag up quite a bit more than what I have lately. The nuts work, so that'll do. Okay, ugh, that's feral. My legs have got like the slimiest crap on them. Ugh. Definitely up close and personal with the fish when you catch him out here. In a kayak, I mean. Oosh. Come on. Yes, got it. Ah, oh, missed it. Dropped it. Like single hooks. Just seem better, eh? Should be paddling. Oh, it. Oh, goodness. Yes, got it. That one's on. It's right here. You can hold me in the right spot for my anchor. Okay, see, single hook, pretty good. Look it up, here we go. you up. Oh, look at that thing. Where's over here? Against that funness. Okay, get ready for the fun. Next up, fun. Oh my gosh, can't even turn around. Whoa, chill. Oh, okay. Whoa. Whoop, there he goes. Bloop. Whatever. One more cast out, I guess.